other one. Is it adjustable?
That's all right, no problem.
Don't worry, nothing to do, just fill in the sack. Oh, need my gloves for health and safety. Elf,
Hang on.
Can you get my gloves?
I'm the health and safety officer around here.
Can you get my gloves? Thank you. My precious.
I'll just show you what my wife put. I sent her a photo of us working, and she's put, "You have the elf ears." Cheeky cow. So just as you can see, we've been messing around with the rear arms. We think we're going to go this route now on this side and put a fresh arm on it. That one's okay. Dom's pants are falling down. That old chestnut. And then, well, that'll probably make the arms right on the back as well. Look! I'm going to be Buddy the elf. Look, I'm Bellend the elf. Yeah, it's too big. I feel really elfish now. I could be Elfish Presley. There's a film called About Santa. Santa's pregnant. And I'm not touching your sack. Perfect. Oh. That's scary. All right. Oh. I'm not touching the sack. I told you that. Right. Thanks very much for watching the channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone.
Yeah.
And we'll see you all at Newark and in the new year. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Oh, and Merry Christmas.
And that as well.
That one.
Bye.
Cheers.